Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're just doing a good daily recap. Today we had a break-even trade, that was it. Well, I think I closed for about a 1 to 0.05, 1 to 0.5 profit, so I'm going to count it as a break-even trade in my journal. And yeah, if you look at my journal here quickly, we are up about 1.5% for the month, which isn't too bad. We have a 33% win rate, 3 losses, 3 wins and 6 losses. We obviously had a very, very bad start to the month, with us being down -4%, and then losing another trade last week, which put us down to -5% in total. But luckily we managed to bring it back with NAS. I've already done a daily recap for NAS. And yeah, that was all posted in the Discord, so you can see my trades live, and I don't recommend you copy my trades at all. But yeah, just ideas for you guys, and with your own analysis you can decide whether you want to take it or not. So yeah, I'm up 16.5% for the year, which isn't too bad. Hopefully next year we could see a lot better returns. But here we closed manually. It's a decent setup. We break highs to the left here. We also have a very nice demand zone within our zone here, which also gets respected. Again, some people couldn't take this, but it was a very difficult entry, because a lot of people would have waited for the 8 o'clock candle, which is why most people didn't take the setup. But yeah, we had demands getting respected in the zone, and then we see a decent price coming down. It's not the best price. We do see this like sort of liquidity take out this one initially, like this, which isn't, it doesn't make the trade A plus whatsoever. It's probably more like an A, maybe more of an A minus setup for me. But yeah, it was a good trend. Everything about it was not too bad. Decent liquidity near our zone, and yeah, we were just generally bullish. You can see here, price putting in this high here, putting this low in, high, put this low in, and then high in, and then we come back here. So I'm thinking, well, we're clearly bullish, and actually price does technically come down to come a bit of a lower price, but we could have still got our entry, and it was completely valid. So yeah, unfortunately with this trade, I went break even. Why did I go break even? Well, because we had the budget today, the UK budget, which there was a lot of hype around throughout the last few weeks. In the UK, there's been a lot of talk about this budget. So yeah, and here's the rule book I made a few months ago, really. And as you can see, what is one of the things I have in my news section: if red followed on news and still consolidating around zone, which we were, manually closed 1 hour before. And obviously I got screwed over by EU here in this scenario, which is probably why I put it in. But that is getting deleted, and this also is getting deleted about bank holidays. So, which I have learned very recently, and I think we've all learned that in Discord as well. But yeah, so this is getting changed to 30 minutes before news. I would rather do it later, but yeah, this is getting changed pretty immediately after this trade, because pretty much what happens, which is very unfortunate, is I get out around here. It was this week, and then 10 minutes later, what happens? Straight to TP of 1 to 3, which is very unfortunate. A lot of people ask here why I take a breaker candle. The first reason I hit the breaker candle is we had this bearish candle here, which tapped into our zone, and as soon as this bullish candle opened, we made this very small bottom wick, and then went immediately up. And is this in my rules? Of course it is. If we go to entries here, it says breaker candle entry, either where we create a large bottom wick, or if bearish wicks to the zone and bullish candle with immediate volume starts running. That's exactly what happens in this trade. So this is why I stick very, very closely to my rules, because this is stuff I've tested in back testing over time. What I see in the market, I see this a lot in the market, this bottom wick, and if we see on the 15-minute, this is exactly what happens. It makes this bottom wick and wants to go higher. So it's a very big bottom wick, which is what I'm looking for. So yeah, that is why I took this trade. It was a very unfortunate trade. We have Thursday and Friday tomorrow, so hopefully I can catch a winner to this is the first trade I've taken this week, So yeah, it has been a slow week. I've had good discipline. I'm pretty happy with my psychology. This one was a bit tricky. Pretty much everyone managed to catch this except from me because I went broke even too early. The good thing is, I guess I could say away, is I didn't go break even because of the trade. I just went break even because of one of the rules I've set myself before. But I've taken the initiative to change my rules because I realised actually that it's a bit stupid closing a trade 1 hour, especially in the 5 minute before red folder news. But I hope you guys have learned something from this, and well done for people in the Discord who managed to catch this today. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one.